Hey there, it's Jeff at Barefoot Inclined, and it's an exciting day. I have 2 of what I believe is going to be 5 brand new releases from Xero Shoes coming out here this spring. And what I thought I would grab is just a quick unboxing. I have not checked these out yet, so let's see what we got. So here we have, it's called the Colorado. Let's take a look and see what we got. Aha. Get this stuff out of the way. First thing I think of when I look at these is, oh, these look like Keens. Remember those sandals? And the boys used to have a lot of these too. I probably should figure out a way to be able to use both my hands. Anyway. Yes, very Keen-like from a sandal standpoint. But if you know Keen, these are probably, my gosh, they weigh like nothing. I'll have to weigh them for you later and tell you what you think. But I like the look. It's a cool new tread. Looks pretty grippy. Looks like these will be fantastic for summertime and getting out in the water, sunshine with these. So I will put these on here shortly. We'll get them outside and test them out. What you want to think? Oh, very soft inside too. Let's get an idea of how flexible they are as well. Okay, about what I would expect. Super flexible, super light. The Colorado. So stay tuned. Give you some updates on how they feel and how they wear. So, all right, that's exciting. I like that. All right. Next we have the Mesa Trail. From what I understand of these are along the veins of the Terraflex, if you're familiar with those, but actually more designed for trail running and less for, straight up everyday wear or hiking. That's what I use the Terraflex for. I'll run in them, but I enjoy them as a daily wear shoe or for getting out and hiking. And whoop, there we go. Whoa. These feel like they probably weigh half the weight of the Terraflex. Is probably, might be a bit of an exaggeration, but I'll get these on the scale for you too and let you know. Look at all the styling that we're used to from Xero Shoes. I tell you right now, this upper feels very soft and looks super breathable. Again, it's a really lightweight shoe. And now that's a nice tread on that. That would be my first concern for trail running. It's cool. It looks kind of like the Terraflex, but kind of a new style. And again, super light, very soft inside, and of course, super duper flexible. Wow, I can't wait to get these on my feet. So hang tight. We'll get these on and we'll get outside with them, and I'll let you know what else. All right, thanks.